Hello, teacher. Good morning. My name is Alice. God bless you. My daily routine. I always get up at 4:30 a.m. I always take and shower and brush the teeth. I usually have a cup of coffee. I always prepare breakfast and organize the children. At 6:45, I almost always take the children to school. At 7 o'clock start I going to the gym in the main exercise routine. At 8:30, sometimes I visit my mom and then I go home. I at 12 o'clock I pick up the children for school and we have lunch. At 1:30 p.m. we usually relax and 2:30 I always check the platform in the activities. At, at 4 o'clock I go to my English and reforming class. At 5 o'clock I help my children. I will take homework in the 6:30. I go my fast food business and return. At 10 p.m. I get organized and I going to sleep. Thank you, teacher. Goodbye.